Abhijit Datta, and I head the Data and AI studio at Globant India. I'm very excited to connect with you all today in the inaugural edition of Bits and Bytes, a series of video blogs from Globant. Globant, for those who don't know, is a leader in digital transformation. So what does that mean? Simply put, we empower organizations for a digital and cognitive revolution. Globant is a digitally native company where innovation, design, and engineering meet scale. We leverage the latest technologies and methodologies in the digital and cognitive space to help organizations to transform in every aspect. Today, I would like to talk about how organization can achieve cognitive revolution by leveraging big data and artificial intelligence. Today's era is of digital and cognitive transformation for truly revolutionizing the way any business is done. Such transformations are a result of sustaining innovations, which helps organizations to have a consistent edge over its competitors. There can be no digital or cognitive transformation without data. In fact, one of the most important ingredients for an algorithm to adapt and become more intelligent is quality data. An algorithm can be taught over a period of time if it is properly cleansed, curated, and if it meets the requisite quality standards as per the business rules. For example, if you're building a recommendation engine for your business, or if you want to carry out prescriptive or predictive analytics for your company sales, you need to have data that not only has historical significance, but also future relevance. To truly harness the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, it is imperative for companies to set very strong foundation of big data, its processes, and very importantly, its culture, a data-driven culture. We believe that in order to attain a true data-driven culture, it is important to break down the internal data silos, which has different data structures, as well as the 5 V's of big data, which are volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. Enrich that data from external sources and create a scalable enterprise data platform, which then emerges as a single version of truth throughout the organization. A typical data lifecycle management has the core processes in the form of data integration, orchestration, transformation and processing, data visualization, and reporting. The uncertainties in terms of data type, which can be structured, unstructured, or semi-structured, or speed, which can be batch or stream, and the source diversity makes a huge difference in terms of the decisions for building a data platform. Hence, organizations must ensure its data platform is not only vendor neutral, but also scalable and distributed. And Globant has expertise in exactly that. We have developed a state-of-the-art business-proven big data framework, which helps our customers to get a head start with a lot of groundwork already in place. We truly believe and advocate that domain is neutral and technology is agnostic. And with data, it becomes even more important to not to be at ground zero for solving similar kind of problems. And this framework of ours enables us to do just that. Our data engineers combine data, business processes, and state-of-the-art IT tools and algorithms that enable business to engage into deeper, interactive, and more meaningful conversations with their data. Using visual discovery techniques, we help them to reveal hidden patterns and trends and obtain relevant and useful business insights for better decision making. In order to achieve continuous analytics, we help our customers to create an end-to-end human-centric experience through our state-of-the-art big data framework. This framework has 3 different work streams. First one is the strategy work stream, where we understand the business in the first phase, we set up the strategy in the second one, and then we dynamically adapt to the context in the next ones. The second is the data maturity work stream, to diagnose the points of improvements in the first one, to work on the most important modification in the next one, and then evolving the data maturity level gradually in the next ones. The product development work stream is the third one, where we help the companies to generate impact quickly by selecting the right product, designing it, developing it. Now, the organization can decide whether to keep the existing products, or create new ones. Data maturity is a multi-dimensional facet for measuring the possibilities that the business possesses to make use of available data to add value to its business. Globant's in-house data framework allows us to support the data strategy for both data and analytics services, which will be defined by the customers, and thus it enables us to reduce the data maturity state. Our data delivery model is based on 5 main objectives. First one is to align business strategy with the data strategy by understanding the data maturity level. Identify new business opportunities using data. Apply the right set of technologies for the business solution. We cover the whole data ecosystem to ensure solutions are tailored to the customer's needs and aligned with the business expectations. We bring our experience to work together with the customers to create proof of concepts, define key performance indicators, as well as adapt to their existing data lake and AI solutions. Coordinating people, processes, and culture necessary for success. And this is based on a transformation roadmap, going from the early stages of data utilization to more mature stages through innovation and making decisions based on data automatically. Last but not the least is integrating disparate data sources in different speeds and formats. Now, the set objectives are based on multiple knowledge areas. For example, governing data either through use of any open source solutions such as Apache Atlas with a combination of Apache Ranger for data security, or by using a cloud agnostic solution with tools such as Collibra. Managing shared data to reduce redundancy and ensuring better data quality through standardization definition of data values. Managing analytical data processing and enabling efficient decision making through the support of data for reporting and analysis. Defining, monitoring, maintaining data integrity, and improving the overall quality of data. And last but not the least, creating an enterprise architecture which is more focused on the overall structure as well as the data and data related resources. I hope this small session might have helped you to understand how any business can attain cognitive revolution by leveraging big data and artificial intelligence. And also how Globant has been doing it successfully over the past 14 years as a part of its data and AI studio in a very repeatable and disciplined way. Stay tuned for more such episodes of Bits and Bytes. Thank you so much.